I need to go over this again with the oil videos. This is a Toyota this time, 520 or 020, and it's got variable valve timing, so VVT. And this thing came in and it was the loudest one I have ever heard. I mean, it was bad. And we actually did body work on this thing. We just put a new bumper cover on it and we changed the oil. And this is the one, the video that I did with the oil cap that was leaking really bad. This is the car. So go ahead and start it. So the VVT rattle was a lot less that time when it started up, but we changed the oil. It's got some good 530 synthetic in it. And here's the thing about running a heavier weight oil. The way the VVT, or the variable valve timing, works is a solenoid opens, the computer opens it, the oil flows through the cam, it flows into the cam phaser, it hydraulically rotates the cam sprocket and changes the valve timing. And there's a sensor that the computer sees that valve timing changed within a specified amount of time after the solenoid opens. So it's however it's programmed. It might be 1 second, it might be a fraction of a second, it might be 5 seconds. But as long as the computer sees the valve timing change within the specified amount after the solenoid opens to let the oil pressure flow into the cam phaser, it will not put the check engine light on and everything will be happy. So I don't care if you had gear oil in there, as long as it does that fast enough, it's not going to hurt anything. Everybody that says the tolerances are tighter, blah, 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 I got news for you. The oil pump is a positive displacement pump on an engine, meaning it's going to pump the oil no matter how thick it is. It's going to make it go through the parts. So that's the only thing that you have to be careful when running heavier weight oil than what the factory specified, is because it just has to be good quality heavier weight oil that has good flow characteristics. And as long as it'll flow fast enough to satisfy the timing, in other words, what the computer needs to see in a specified amount of time, once it tells the valve timing to change, it's going to be fine. I've had cars come that just had their oil changed, just had new oil filter put on, and they have cam codes. And it's because even though they put the right weight oil in, it's such garbage cheap oil, it literally cannot flow fast enough to satisfy what the computer wants to see once it gives the command to change the valve timing. So that's my 2 cents on running a little heavier weight oil than this garbage and drastically prolonging the life of your engine, in my opinion.